Hi everyone, this is your Shekhar from SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing. The secret of success. Friends, today's idiom of the day is in connection with. Its meaning is for reasons related to somebody or something. In other words, regarding, concerning, with regard to, with reference to, with respect to. Generally, it's used especially with violence, crime, attack, killing, robbery, smuggling, issue, etc. For example, 24 senior students were suspended in the history of Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University in connection with ragging. He made no comments in connection with the issue. 13 men have been questioned in connection with the murder. Police want to talk to him in connection with his wife's disappearance. 6 women have been arrested in connection with the violence. Detectives are questioning 2 men in connection with the alleged criminal damage. A man has been arrested in connection with the robbery. 5 youths were arrested in connection with the attack. A man has been charged in connection with the attack. He was arrested in connection with drug smuggling. Friends, all these examples are in connection with the crime, aren't they? Okay friends, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.